Okay, so yeah, this is our first video.
Hi.
Yeah, and then we are the double D's, which on the contrary,
We have no double D's.
we are double A's, but it's our name, Doris and Deanna. So today we're going to talk about 5 things about ourselves, and here we go.
Yay.
Okay, so first thing about me first, I have ADHD and I take medicine for it. I take Adderall XR. And my medicine kind of works in reverse. So if I'm calm and I take the medicine, then I become oddly hyper. And if I'm already kind of hyper and I take the medicine, I become oddly calm enough to do my work. Okay.
Also, one note about Adderall, there's rumors that they're giving it to the cast of The Hills, like Lauren and all of those girls. And supposedly, it keeps them alert and skinny, which would explain why Spencer, in a lot of his takes, he doesn't even blink. He doesn't blink for like 20 minutes.
Are you serious?
He just like gives us a tense stare, and he just like talks, and it's like, it's really weird. Okay, so the first fact about me is, I can't go to sleep without washing my feet. I don't know. If I don't wash my feet, I feel unclean, and like, I can't get in my bed, and I can't feel good unless I wash my feet before bed.
Yeah, I kind of have that issue too. Well, who really want to go to sleep and then their feet's all dirty and they have like black dirt on it and it's nasty,
And then you get bed crumbs.
Yeah, I hate bed crumbs. Okay, and the second fact about me is that I get easily annoyed. I easily snap at people or, that kind of stuff, and I used to have a pretty bad temper until Doris came into my life and calmed me a whole lot down, and, now we're all chill people. And to clarify, we're not dating.
Yeah, no, none of that stuff
None of that
going on.
stuff. Okay, yeah, leave all that fantasies in your own head.
Okay, the second fact about me, I fear cockroaches for no good reason except that they're crunchy. Like their antennas, all like that. It's really freaky, but like the main thing is they're so crunchy and shiny. It's just,
Don't you say that you also hate their little scuffly legs?
Yeah, I hate their little legs, I hate their stupid antenna, and I hate their crunchy exoskeleton.
Yeah, and you also said that you hate the orange insides.
I hate pretty much everything I can possibly hate about them.
Yeah, in Wally, they make them look all adorable and stuff, but they don't look like that in
That is
real life.
misleading. That's misleading and untrue.
Yeah, I mean, your kid might be like, I want one of those Wally cockroaches for a pet. They don't exist.
No.
My usual kind of attitude in life alternate between cracked out and indifferent. A lot of the time my sister gets really annoyed when I'm like, oh, I don't care. And then she's like, you need to stop saying that. It's like, well, I don't really care. What do you
I'm
think?
just being honest.
I'm being honest. What do you want me to say? I care so much. I'm going to lie about it and make whatever. I really don't care.
Okay, the third fact about me is I avoid Facebook and MySpace for the only reason is really because I just get addicted, and then I like check it at all hours of the day, and then I get home from school and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna check MySpace, and then I get like all distracted and commenting people and looking at pictures. It's a bad cycle.
Yeah, and then how I told you to make like a Facebook and stuff, but then you didn't want to make one because you said you were gonna get obsessed with it.
Probably true.
I have a fixation on sheeps. I collect sheeps. I love sheeps. I like pictures of sheeps. And I idolize sheeps in general. I have like these woolly collections of stuffed sheeps at home. I have ceramic sheeps, and I've made this art of sheep that says the sheep is watching you.
Okay, the fourth fact about me is I wake up like super easily. Like it takes me like forever to fall asleep. I like lay in bed for like an hour trying to fall asleep, and then once I do, if somebody wakes me up, I'm really unhappy because it takes so long for me to fall asleep, and then like the slightest thing wakes me up, like the sound, especially of somebody touching my doorknob, like a small little like rustling noise, and I'm like, and then I like get up immediately.
I like things that burn, or I like to burn things, or things that can burn, like for example candles, and well, anything in general. Pretty much everything burns, so I kind of like everything when it burns. I mean, I remember that one time when I was holding that box of candles, and I was running down the street.
And like talking to me through like the earpiece, so it was like you were running down the street talking to yourself with a bunch of candles.
Because I was bringing a box of candles over to her house, and I was talking on the phone to her, but I didn't want to, because I couldn't hold my phone while I'm holding a box. So then I put on the earpiece, and I was talking, I had my hair all, tied up, slicked back like this, and then I was also wearing my pajamas.
They were, black and silky.
So I walked outside, and then there were my neighbors, and guess what? They go to the same school as me, and they saw me holding a box of candles, and then talking to myself, and then upon instinct, the first thing I said when I saw them was, "Oh no, somebody saw me!" And then I ran. There couldn't have been a stupider decision. I looked like I was freaking crazy, talking to myself like I'm in some kind of cult or something, holding all these candles.
Basically, the fifth and final fact about me is I used to have this dog, and his name was Chewy, and he had some odd behaviors. On the first day we met him, I gave him a stuffed bunny. He abused that bunny sexually. He is extremely sexually suppressed. He humps everything. And then on top of that, he's just a damn stupid dog. He doesn't do any tricks ever unless you wave a treat in front of his face, and then he immediately sits down and looks up with his shiny little bubbly eyes. And funny story, Deanna's sister came over and she left her backpack on the ground. And then he crawled on top of his backpack and fell asleep on it. She was like, "Oh, so cute." And then a few seconds later, she realized there was a pool of yellow liquid on her backpack. Turns out my dog decided he was gonna pee on her backpack. And she was not happy.
And she was always the one who spoiled it too, right?
I know, she's always like, "Oh, so cute, belly rub." And we're like, "You're gonna spoil him." And then he definitely showed his appreciation.
So here's our 5 facts for today, to each of us. And, the end. We'll come back later another day with more stories to tell. Okay, bye.